Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a palette from Sugarpill. It is Little Twin Stars. And I have never tried any of their products, so this is new for me. Let's go ahead and look at what the palette looks like. Okay, so there's the back of it. And this is a limited edition one, so I don't know if it's still on the site or not, but if it's not, don't worry, because I do have a second palette here, and the second palette is going into my next giveaway. So anyways, let's look at the shades. There are the shades, and let's go ahead and swatch them. Okay, so those are the 6 shades swatched. A bit different than I expected, but still very beautiful. If you are new to my channel, this is the part where I put all the shades I possibly can on my eyeballs, and then I come back and review my actual thoughts on the shadows. Yeah, so this is not going to be super challenging for me because I clearly can do more than 6, but I'm going to do them anyway. So the very first one I am going to start off with is going to be Dream Dust. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with Sky Candy, this pink one right here. Okay, so now I am going to go into the creases with this color Wish right here. Okay, so now I think I am going to go in with Twinkle Twinkle on the bottom part of the eyelid because I feel like it needs some more dimension. So I'm going to do the bottom outer half, I think. I had to think about that because I like this pink color too, so I wasn't really sure how I wanted to play with it, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now we are going to go in with Star Ribbon under the eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the last color, which is Cloud Maker, and this is a very kind of silvery color, so I'm probably going to keep that kind of towards the inner corner. Okay, so eyeshadow is on. Now I am going to line the bottom part with ColourPop gel liner here. And now I think, I think I'm going to go with blue with the liquid liner for ColourPop as well for the top eyelid. Okay, there is that. So we are going to go over the bottom lashes with ColourPop as well with this blue mascara. Okay, so for the top mascara I am using Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So there are the eyes, but before we talk about the palette, I need to do my lips, and I have some more Sugarpill products here, and this is also part of the limited edition. This is was it shade Kiki and Lala. So I'm gonna do that. But I also got a second set, so that will be in the giveaway as well. So you get a set, I get a set. So let's go ahead and try this out. I think I'm gonna do blue and then pink in the center, so let's see how this goes. There's that. That is way bolder than I am used to. I don't know about that color, guys. I don't think it looks bad. I just think this is not what I normally walk around with, that's all. Okay, so before we get to the palette, let's talk about the bonus here. So these are super cute, super vibrant. They feel good. Can't say too much about that. They went on smoothly, but they smell really good. They smell almost like pineapple, which I'm surprised. But there's that. But let's talk about these lovely shades. Okay, so I'm really impressed with this one right here because I didn't expect it to be so metallic. I think it's really, really beautiful. These three are kind of more of a matte with a slight shimmer, and these three here are clearly very shimmery. They applied well, they're smooth, they're pretty. They are more on the pastel side, so if you're not used to pastels or you don't like pastels, it might not be for you. But if you love pastels, you're gonna love this. So I'm very impressed with these products. Again, this is the first time I've ever had anything by this brand, but I absolutely love this. I think it's great. So that's all I got for you on this. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.